Hi friends, today I will show you how to use multimeter. This is a digital multimeter. This is AC voltage. AC voltage mean raw power. This is also raw power. 230 volt. This is called raw power. This is AC. This is DC. DC mean like battery or lower 100 below 100 voltage using the also called DC voltage. Then this is continuity checker. Continuity mean one conductor one end to another end. This is continuity. They are not tested. Then this is also using diode rectifiers working or not, failure or not check it using. This is a resistor 0 ohms to 2 mega ohms under all check it. This is resistor. This is ampere, check it. Okay, now I check it first. AC you put 600 voltage. Why mean this is come input voltage is 230 volt, so you put it 230 volt above voltage incoming, you put it this multimeter. See, this is AC. Now we using DC. DC is see this 9 voltage. So the above 9 voltage 20 above voltage 200 above voltage 600. We use 20 now. 20 above voltage you put it 200 above voltage you put it 600. So I will put 200 because this 9 volt. See this is voltage 8.39 volt. Then resistor you check it one end. See this one end and another end. You got this resistor is 17 ohms. 17 kilo ohms. Okay. Then we check it. Continuity means rectifier check it. 2k or ohms. We put it this. See this is good. Positive, negative. Sorry. Yes. Okay. Positive, negative. 0 is okay. Okay. Clear? Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like and share.